Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and I'm excited to share with you a clever hack to save you pounds when transferring Avios points. If you've ever needed to transfer Avios between accounts, you'll know that British Airways charges a hefty £50 fee, unless you're a gold member. However, there's now a much cheaper way to move your Avios around, thanks to Finnair Plus. Here's how to take advantage of this money-saving hack. First, you'll need to set up a Finnair Plus account if you don't already have one. There's a small catch. Your account needs to be 90 days old before you can send Avios, though you can receive them immediately. If you think you might need this transfer option in the future, it's worth setting up your account now. When setting up your account, I recommend opting for an authenticator app rather than SMS verification. Finnair's SMS system can be unreliable, and you'll need two-factor authentication for most account actions. The transfer process is straightforward. Move your Avios from BA to your Finnair Plus account, then transfer them to the recipient's Finnair Plus account for just €10. The recipient can then move them to their BA Executive Club. For those wondering about the household account option, yes, that's still the easiest way to share Avios within your family. However, this Finnair method is particularly useful for transfers outside your household account, like helping a friend book a reward flight or consolidating Avios from multiple accounts. If you're interested in maximising your Avios-earning, be sure to check out our guide to the best Avios-earning credit cards, or use our BA Avios calculator to plan your earning strategy. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms, or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk.